YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to record your own audio in your Suno AI. So guys, if you want to record your own audio in the Suno AI, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that I am on the Suno AI homepage, and if you want to create the song, so you just, instead of describe, here go for the option of create, and in the create section guys, there is a plus icon of audio. So you just click the option of audio, and here you get the option of record. Now you agree term and condition and allowed your microphone to record your voice. Okay, so you just click here. So guys, here is a sound and here is a side setting, and you can allow. Okay, now here it asks me the permission of my microphone. You just allowed, and here you see my voice is start recording. So at least 6 second and 8 minute limit for the audio uploads. Upgrade to use longer audios. So this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.